Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I wanted to make sure that I get some of these videos out earlier this week because I have a busy week ahead. If you follow along with my deals, make sure you clip all your digital coupons, including the 5 off of 25 coupon, because that coupon is very, very important. Get your total to $25, enter your number at the register, and watch your total drop. Once again, this is for Family Dollar, the 5 off of 25. If you follow along with my deals, these are the items that you will want to pick up, but remember what I always say, get what your household needs. The first item you will want to pick up is one Arm & Hammer liquid detergent for $4.25, and there is a $1 off coupon on the app. Then you want to pick up 3 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. 3 of them will be $12.30, and there's a $5 off 3 coupon. Y'all, toothpaste has went up a lot. Then you want to pick up one Vaseline 10-ounce lotion for $4.60, and there's a $1 off coupon. And lastly, you want to pick up one U by Kotex 20 cal pads for $4.10 with a $1 off coupon. Remember, the goal is always to get to $25, and as you see, the total for all of those items is $25.25. Then you're going to come over here and subtract your $8 in coupons, which is going to bring you down to $17.25. But remember, if you followed along and clicked that 5 off of 25 coupon, you're only going to be paying around $12.25 plus tax. That's $12.25 out of pocket plus tax for these great household and hygiene items at Family Dollar. This Saturday on April the 29th. Make sure you go ahead, click those digital coupons, clip that 5 off of 25 coupon, get your total to at least $25. Enter your number, and you guys can come out with some great deals like I do every weekend. Have a great week.